Good morning. Man, yesterday was a romp. All right. Nvidia with a bounce back, although is it going to be enough? So Apple, MED, Litecoin, SolH. Man, not a good bounce day. Huh. Metafast looks good. Also killed estimates. Hmm. Yeah, so far not a very good open. Not happy with that. Not really that happy. Yeah. What's up, Mohammed? Good morning. How you doing? Spammer coming into the Slack chat room, so I gotta kick him out, delete his messages. Nah, crypto ain't sucking the life out of stocks. It's not that big of a market, and they're not really don't really work together that much. So this guy was all over the place. U.S. banks to allow Bitcoin trading in 2021. Wow, that's pretty cool. Hey, what up, Ellie? I already did weekly options. Yeah, for show. Made sure about all the MJ stocks. Oh, today's bounce looks pretty feeble so far from what I've seen. I've gone through a few things. I'm not really going to be too. It's not going to be good. Not going to be a good bounce here, but hopefully I'm wrong. I think I got rid of that spammer finally. Probably posted something in general, but too pessimistic? Yeah, maybe. Yesterday was a couple pretty big volume candles to the downside here. Did stop at the 50-day on Apple though. Yeah. XLM, what they do? Did they work out? Oh, 15%. Why'd you buy XLM? I don't think there's anything standout about XLM. Bitcoin Cash had a blockbuster day though. How about Litecoin? Yeah, Litecoin pretty good. Oh, okay. Well, lots of green on my screen today. XRP 14%. Oh, that's good. And ETH underperforming today. While Bitcoin trying to bounce back. Back up in the range. Oh. Ugh. Lower tested lows yesterday. Cool. And you got Doge again? Yeah, I think it's just going to keep rocking. Just going to keep rocking up, probably. Wish I had Doge in the stock market. All right, 0.88 for the NASDAQ. Yeah, there's no real group of leaders right now, unfortunately. Leaders are basically stagnant. So that's a bit of a concern here. Yeah, it's looking a little bit more like this one. Nvidia, yeah, I was having a good yeah, had a good bounce back. That's a little healthier than most of them. That's for sure. They all did hold the 50-day, but we'll see for how long. Oh no, it looks like we're pretty. Excuse me. Looks like we're pretty heavy up here on the Nasdaq. You got quite a bit of red distribution days up here. I think IBD finally figured out how to make a just won a few million. Yeah, don't we all? I don't even know what I want it for. Yeah, I guess I do, but that's what I keep saying. I forgot I was gonna look at. Oh, IBD. Under Armour rally. Interesting. Man, their menus suck. Just bad. And their website is slow. Jeez. I have a feeling it's gonna be much of the same. So they have what? 4 websites now that they interlinked between each other? Gosh, these guys are. I thought I couldn't build technology. Guys are limping along. Yeah, That's the link I went to. It's gonna be the same link. Yep. Works great. Mini crash has knocked 26 stocks down 50% or more. Oh, that's interesting. Nvidia leads growth stocks testing turbulence. See what they say about that one. Nvidia stock, there we go. With earnings due May 26th. Jeez. 82% EPS growth for the quarter. Trimmed on leaderboard to a quarter position. Yeah, it's holding pretty good overall. But yeah, overall, the general market bounce does seem a little feeble at the moment. Moderna, Soxel up almost to SI, Apple back to up to rebounding a little bit. Doesn't even look like Tesla's getting that much of a bounce here. Tesla did handle yesterday very well, though. I gotta say, kind of hard to. That's pretty good. Yeah, Tesla does look really good. I think the market is off and crypto is on. The crypto that's already gone up like tenfold. So you should have ignored crypto for 1 year. Yeah, I would generally agree with market is off though. I mean, nothing's really looking that good. Another 10x would be good. Another 10x would be good. But I generally don't think the bigger bull market is over. It's not like I don't think we've topped macro wise. I think crypto is going to flounder about for a little bit too. Bitcoin is not showing a tremendous amount of strength here lately. I mean, it's not breaking down either. Don't get me wrong, but I feel like we've proven to fail into highs. We've tested it like 7 times. Just unable to get through. And Tesla stalling a little bit right there. So, yeah, boring ass market. I mean, in terms of you talking about selling options, in terms of selling options, when volatility gets reduced like this, it's good for buying options for the next run, whenever that's going to start. How's PLL doing? Just chilling. Most everything's just hanging out. I guess that's a good thing. Even Amazon, which was having a pretty bad couple of days, bigger picture wise, really isn't that bad. It's just kind of hanging out. Yeah, maybe fourth quarter rally in the stock market is the prescription. MasterCard. Hmm. Wow, cyber taking a tumble. Hacking's over, guys. No one needs security anymore. There you go. All right. Don't need to use HTTPS anymore. Done. That's pretty good. Gotta look at the bright side. All right, blockchain not looking super hot. Yeah, like nothing's looking hot. I think the MJ stocks look very good. Nope. They're floundering. Like I don't know anything that's running. So look at silver. Is so even silver running? Silver probably one of the better setups in the market. Looks a little more like this base here, doesn't it? And that's very similar to what we are in at the moment. It's a pretty big cup and handle on silver. Yeah, that's a pretty good trend line there for SLV. Not much else though. Foot Locker's looking good. SBNY looks good. Generac looks really good too. And cruise lines, they going to start opening up again? I know some of the theme parks are. Legoland's going to start opening. There's Crocs poking into a new high today. I did like the look of their sandals. That was pretty good. KOP, Ellie. KOP breaking the 50-day to the upside. Hold on a minute. All right. Hey, what's up, Mohammed? MP looking good again? Um, is that a question mark or a statement? I don't see a question mark. Let's check out MP. Marathon Petroleum, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe it does have a what could be a pocket pivot yesterday. I'm not playing KOP. I'm not playing. I am playing shit. I may just go 100% cash, which I should have done fucking months ago. I forgot how money management works. So a pocket pivot is where you have a green day and the volume on the green day is higher than any red candle of the prior 10 days. So This should be the pocket pivot potential. Day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is not a pocket pivot, but it's pretty damn close. Yeah, I hear you, Mohammed. I'm kind of unfortunately in the same situation. Unfortunately, with probably worse results. I don't know. I don't like much anything of what's going on at all. I mean, generally, Microsoft is a good position to hold to have it with options. Unfortunately, just don't know how far it's going to flounder. And Tesla, not really bouncing today. Market just looks like shit. Absolute garbage. No bueno. Oh, there you go. That's the funny thing, Mohammed. Like I've got a Tesla position right now that should do me good for the rest of my life if things go out the way that we've planned out and Elon's planned out, stuff like that. So I don't know why I feel so weird about everything, but this shorter term stuff's been brutal, absolutely brutal. At least for me, because there's no sustained rallies. I work well in a market with sustained rallies. These are very minor rallies. Yeah, a little bit. I don't have as much as most people probably think I do. Yeah, right. It's so funny. Like I don't know. It's so funny. Yeah, when things go south as a swing trader, it's like I don't. Like I said, I should have just gone cash a couple months ago and then just not even done anything. That's my general strategy, and I haven't been doing that, which is a huge problem. Still trying to time this bitch when there's nothing to time. Absolutely nothing to time. And crypto's popping off. You've been doing crypto too, but crypto's great. Yeah, just let the market wear all this influx of money off, and then we'll see what happens with the Biden stuff. Obviously, that's big. Whether it's good or bad, big is a different issue. Yeah, I mean, I'm fortunate. I still have a good amount of my gains from last year. Dollar wise, percentage wise, it's definitely more muted, unfortunately. Dropped a couple more first digits. And I'm not even sure why I went and I back tested, um, or not back, went and reviewed. Doesn't look like I lost that much, but somehow I'm down a lot. So I don't know. I'll have to go review it a little more. But I gotta get my taxes done right now. That's gotta be my focus is taxes. Stupid taxes. And Microsoft they rolled over a little bit, 0.31%. Tesla's rolled over. Just it's a shit day. No, I don't. I don't mind the taxes. I just don't like doing them. It's a pain in the butt. I don't know what it's like in Canada, but in the U.S., there's like a billion tax laws. And if you mess anything up, they can come after you for all billion of them. So, and then it's hard to know exactly how much, what stuff you can write off where. I mean, I've got it down pretty good, but still a little bit nerve wracking. And I use a Tax Act, which is an online software for stocks, and have to learn their thing. I'd almost rather do the forms manually, but I don't. It's too hard manually. All right, Microsoft further rolling over. I mean, it's just a pile of shit. Apple rolling over. Amazon rolling over, filling that little gap and crap day to day. It's not good. Not liking any of it. Not happy with it. Looking at vacations. All in on Doge, yeah, right. It's about right. Yeah, Tesla going the wrong direction too. Looks like it's rolling over a little more. Not looking bueno. Not broken yet, but hopefully it doesn't get there. Yeah, Dogecoin, huh? That's how's it doing? 20%. Looks like Bitcoin's come down a little bit. Bitcoin Cash come down a little bit. Something funny about Doge, it generally only runs during US market hours. I've noticed that. It's fairly interesting. I'm not sure if everyone else is not a Elonaholic. Hey, what up, Blair? Marcus looking like dog poop today. What'd you miss? Just, dude, nothing. It's like it's a desert out there. Yeah, I'm thinking 100% cash, Shelly. Like, we need better days, man. Oh, you got a new job? Oh, what'd you get? That's pretty cool. Oh, really? What do you do? Market almost flat again. Are you working remote? At least we're bouncing back a little bit. So, what do you do for them? Customer service, your program, business account executive. There you go. With AT&T? Huh. That's interesting. Business account executive. So you talk to cell phone people, like contractors that have 100 lines or something like that. They got a lot of. I know AT&T has a lot of business segments though. Yeah, it's Rose again. Gotcha. Teach you how to talk to people the AT&T way. You just no, no. You will pay us. Yes, your service will be choppy. No, no, you don't get service where you want it. Yes, you still pay us. Is that how the training's going? It's the best training in the world. All right. Yeah, I'm not sure what else to look at, guys. I think I'm gonna bounce. Hopefully, the market can hold up, and whatever maybe minuscule amount of low we put in yesterday will hold us up. But I don't really view that as very viable. Does really feel like we're gonna roll over from here, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, let's make sure you know when you're going cash. Yeah, Blez mainly cash. Yep, that's a good way to go. Can't argue that. That's cool, Blaz. Yeah, got to get the job stuff going. That's the foundation. I mean, really, it's the foundation of this whole thing. After that, it's just speculation. Try to time this bitch to as much degree you know, as you can. Yes, even Soxel. Hopefully, that's a nice bottom on Soxel. Yeah, you hope, but won't know. We'll see you later in the day. All right, guys, I'm bouncing. Yeah, I agree, Blair. I completely agree. All right, everyone, I'm gonna get out of here. You guys have a good day. Go buy yourself some more Doge. And yeah, crypto's doing good. All right, guys.